Prehistoric period. The prehistoric period refers to the time in human history before the invention of writing. This period spans from the earliest known human existence, which is estimated to have occurred around 2.5 million years ago, up to the emergence of civilizations in different parts of the world, which began around 5,000 years ago. During this period, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on hunting, fishing, and gathering wild plants for their survival. They also developed simple tools made from stone, bone, and wood to aid in their daily activities. Discovery and use of fire for cooking and warmth also played a critical role in human evolution during this period. The prehistoric period is divided into several distinct eras, including the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic periods. Each era is characterized by significant changes in human behavior, technology, and culture, including the development of more sophisticated tools, the domestication of plants and animals, and the emergence of more complex social structures. Archaeological evidence such as cave paintings, rock art, and ancient artifacts provides valuable insight into the lives of prehistoric humans.